Welcome to my channel. How ASUS ROG Rapture GT-AX6000 Easy Setup Guide, Dual-Band Wi-Fi 6 changed the game this year. Step 1. Power on the router. Connect the power adapter to the router and switch it on. Wait until the power light becomes stable. Step 2. Connect router to modem. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the router's WAN port. Step 3. Turn on the modem first. Power on the modem and wait for all lights to stabilize before continuing. Step 4. Connect your device. On your phone or laptop, connect to the default Wi-Fi network printed on the router label. Step 5. Open the setup page. Open any browser and go to router.asus.com or 192.168.1.1. Step 6. Start Quick Setup. The ASUS Setup Wizard will open automatically. Click Quick Setup to begin. Step 7. Set Wi-Fi name and password. Create a new Wi-Fi name, SSID, and a strong password for security. Step 8. Create admin login. Set an admin username and password to protect router settings. Step 9. Complete the setup. Wait for the router to apply settings and reboot. This takes 2 to 3 minutes. Step 10. Connect all devices. Connect your phones, laptops, and gaming devices to the new Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching.